We recently had one of the biggest scams in meme coin history with this Libra token. And if you don't know about this coin, Libra is a coin that was promoted by Javier Milei, the Argentinian president. And he worked with this 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀 Ventures team who brought the token out, released it. And when this got up to a high price, this team colluded together to convert all the tokens that they had kept into USDC, and it immediately, of course, caused the price to tank by over 90%. So that was their whole plan, is just to basically steal money from these retail investors. And they were also involved in the MELANIA coin. What we find out now is that it doesn't matter who is releasing a coin, they could always have a shady team behind them. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 other coins that are meme coins that are rug proof. If you're sick of getting scammed with coins like this, and with this Libra coin thing, a lot of influencers now are saying that we shouldn't be investing in meme coins and kind of trying to act like they're taking a higher ground. But a lot of these are the same people that were telling you to invest in meme coins a couple months ago, and telling you just buy utility coins. And while I agree to that to some extent, I still think meme coins aren't dead. A lot of people are saying they're dead, but I don't think that's the case. I still think they're going to be a top performer this year, despite what's happened. And we're still going to have those pump and dumps, because you're always going to have people wanting to get in early and get a quick 10x, right? So we're always going to have that. But if you want to avoid that and avoid getting wrecked and these people making you look like a fool who are releasing these tokens, you should really look to other meme coins with strong communities that are basically rug proof. So I'm going to talk about 3 of these today, 3 rug proof coins to invest in, that meme coins that I think could easily do a 10x here in the next couple months or more. And if we get that golden bull run that we're all hoping for, some things like this could do 50 or 100x. And I'm also going to talk about another project that's trying to remedy this big problem with meme coins, with the scams and the shady people. And they're trying to make it so people can't collude like this and dump the price. And so they're coming out with their own platform that's, we have Pump.Fun, which is very easy to rig in your favor if you're releasing a coin. But this one is going to put things in place to fight against that. And so I'll talk about that project. They have a coin coming out as well. So if that sounds good to you guys, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Welcome to all the new subscribers. You can follow me at 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗁 to stay even more up to date with my content, what I'm buying and selling and things like that. And before we get started with these 3 meme coins, I just wanted to mention that Doge Elon Musk has proposed that to Trump, that all taxpayers get a $5,000 stimulus check because of all the money Doge is finding that they're saving American people. And Trump has said that he would agree to that. So I'm not sure if it's going to be 5,000 or less, but when these payments come out, that a lot of people are going to be looking to invest that back into Bitcoin and other cryptos. So that's going to be positive for the price action as well, along with all the other bullish catalyst here that I've been mentioning about lately too. So that's looking very good. And we're seeing the Bitcoin price go up a little bit, a few $1,000s in the last day. So that's good as well. But getting into these top 3 rug proof meme coins, and just because they're rug proof doesn't mean they're not going to go down, because when altcoins goes down, everything goes down. But you have a less of a chance of these getting completely wrecked because they have strong communities and they're decentralized. So the first coin, rug proof coin that I'm going to talk about here is 𝗏𝗏. And this is the biggest meme coin on the Bitcoin network. And this was fairly distributed, so there's no insiders involved to dump the price. And it was given away as an airdrop to people who were involved early on with the ordinals community that minted ordinals. And so it's fairly distributed across a huge, thousands of holders. And so with something like this, you have less of a chance of the insiders dumping on you. And you can see here this list of all the reasons why you should look at 𝗏 if you're looking at meme coins, right? They just basically ticks all these boxes of decentralization and not insiders gaming against you. And then looking at the price of 𝗏, it has had about around a 40% dip in the last 30 days. But that's not as bad as some of these other meme coins. Some of them are down 60, 70, 80%, especially some of these newer coins and AI agent meme-based coins are down really big too, a lot more than that. And looking at the market cap of this, it's only around 300 million, so very small. This did get up to close to $1 billion market cap, so you're only talking to get to a 10x 3 billion, which is only 2 billion on top of what it's already got at its peak. So I think that's very doable as we see the price of Bitcoin rise here. 𝗏 is going to be one that I think will go up exponentially beyond what Bitcoin will. And the big news with 𝗏 too is that it's now available to buy on the Solana blockchain. Before you had to go buy it on the Magic Eden Bitcoin or on a centralized exchange. So you can buy it on Bitmart, which is where I bought some of it. Link in the description if you want to get a bonus for signing up to Bitmart. But you can also get it on Solana now. And so you would just send USDC coin over to your Solana wallet and then get on any Solana exchange like Jupiter, 𝗏𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀𝗀, and you can easily trade it there now. The second rug-proof meme coin that I'm going to talk about here is 𝗧𝗏. And this is the big meme coin on the Cardano network. And this was fairly distributed as well. It wasn't an airdrop. Some of it was airdropped, but it was a pre-sale, but it was done in a fair way, and no insiders, colluding against this to rug the price and crash it. And so similarly, it's decentralized like 𝗏. It's not as decentralized. There's about 32% of it is held in the top 100 holders, which isn't the best, but still a lot more decentralized than a lot of these other coins out there. And they have a strong tokenomic model where they have a burn mechanism as well. And like 𝗏, they have a very strong community. 𝗏 is one of the most tweeted about meme coins, and 𝗧𝗏 is right up there too. So that's why I like 𝗧𝗏, because it has a lot of the same characteristics as 𝗏. And looking at this coin, this hasn't crashed nearly as much as 𝗏. It's actually only down around 20% in the last 30 days. And so these I think are good opportunities. If you're looking at meme coins and you're bullish on meme coins, which I mentioned I still am, I still like the utility coins, but I also like the diversity of that meme coins can add, and the potential. When the market gets going, people always start to look at more degenerate things to invest in, right? And that'll come back around again. And probably these same, influencers that are now telling you stay away from meme coins are gonna, in a couple months, they're gonna tell you to buy back into these ones that they're telling you not to buy now at a higher price. So not financial advice, but these are ones that I would be looking at for 10x potential. And then 𝗧𝗏 is also fairly easy to buy. You just need a Cardano compatible wallet. It is on a few centralized exchanges, but you can also get a Cardano wallet and send some funds over there and then trade it on a Cardano exchange like Miniswap, or SundaeSwap, which are popular exchanges on Cardano. Now the third coin here is one that hasn't come out yet, but one that I've talked about, and this is Alex Becker's meme coin. And like these other two coins, this has very good tokenomics that aren't scammy, because Becker and none of Becker or his team will be taking any of this supply. It's just going to be released out into the wild to early people that are involved, similar to the 𝗏 coin, which is why I like it. And so there's going to be less of a chance of people dumping the coin, right, and causing the price to just crash and causing it to be a disaster. And as we see here on Becker's tweet, he says, "My meme coin is going to put all the crap that's going on to shame. I will come do the perfect fair launch, show it's not that hard, make nothing, and then fade away into the shadows grinning." And he's actually done this with Neo Tokyo NFTs that are now trading at about $20,000, where they were given away to the community. He took one, and Leo Trades, who was also involved, took one. So that's why I know that he's going to do the same thing here. And he's not lying. He's actually going to do that, and it's going to be a fair community release. So there is going to be a way, he's mentioned, to get into this meme coin first on this basically airdrop. And the best thing to do is just stay tuned to his Twitter channel, keep your notifications on, and watch his videos. And he's going to give away hints on how you can be among the first here. And he said it's going to be airdropped to about 10,000 people. And then, of course, even bigger allocations that he's going to do, and giveaways and things like that, to about 100 additional people. And lastly, I wanted to mention this last project that's looking to fix a lot of the problems, again, in the meme coin space with price manipulation and scamming people. And this is called Super Exchange. So not to be confused, there's a Super token, which is Leo Trades a gaming token, but this is a different Super, and it's going to be released here shortly. But as you can see in this tweet, it says from 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗁, the problem with Pump.Fun, Pump.Fun equals insiders, not enough long-term liquidity. The problem with centralized exchanges, insider favoritism. The problem with AMMs, rug pulls. The solution is Super Exchange. So he says fair launches, robust and locked liquidity at every price point, and infinite scalability. So no more exit liquidity traps, just sustainable, unstoppable growth. So that's what Super is looking to do here, is be a more fair version of Pump.Fun, to where you don't get have that risk of being rugged or scammed by insider teams. So again, if you want a rug-proof meme coin, you're sick of all these scams and all these people rugging you and taking your money, these are ones you can look at that have strong communities, decentralized, that in the long term are going to do a lot better than these pump and dump coins. So that's it, guys. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay up to date with me. And your comments are welcome too. I appreciate the comments, and we'll talk to you in the next video.